Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make bofrot or puff without yeast and baking powder, but instead we'll be using self-raising flour, eggs, milk, and other few ingredients. And this is very simple and straightforward. You don't have to wait for it to rise or proof for 30-45 minutes before frying. It's a very quick way of making puff. So I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you enjoyed this recipe. So to start with, I'll be using self-raising flour, and this is how it looks like. In a mixing bowl, I'll add 4 cups of self-raising flour. Next, I'll be adding half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of nutmeg, and I'll mix it well to combine. Next, I'll add in 2 room temperature eggs. I will also add in half a teaspoon of pineapple flavor. Now I'll gradually add in milk until I get the perfect texture, or until I get the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Please, if you are enjoying this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more amazing videos. And thank you all so much for your support. And also to my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming back to watch my videos, also helping this channel to grow. But please note, you can still add the baking powder, but I decided not to add baking powder, but it still came out very nice without the baking powder, because once you use the self-raising flour, it does the job perfectly without adding the yeast and the baking soda. Just straightforward, you fry your puff and you are good to go. So if you are thinking of making puff or bofrot, I recommend trying this recipe, and I promise you will love it. So I'm done mixing it with the spatula. Now with a clean hand, I'm going to go ahead and beat it with my hand for a few minutes before frying. And this is the perfect texture I'm looking for. So I have here in my saucepan oil. I'm waiting for it to heat up, using the thermometer to check if it's ready. Once it reaches 100 degrees or over, that means it's ready. So I will now start to scoop and drop in the mixture. And please also try to not overcrowd the puff. Try with 4 or 5 drops at a time, and also it depends on your saucepan. So I'm going to be frying it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's well done and golden. I love puff or bofrot so much, and my kids love it too whenever I fry them. So please continue watching, and I hope you are enjoying this recipe as well. And please consider subscribing if you haven't done so, and continue to support this channel. I have realized some people watch but they forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Show me some love. So as I said before, once it's overcrowded, it's hard to turn the puff. So this is a lesson to me as I was struggling to turn the puff. So make sure not to repeat this mistake again. So I'm going to continue to fry it until it's golden brown. And at this point, my kitchen is smelling so good. It's coming out so beautiful as well. So please continue watching and don't go anywhere. Keep watching until the end to see this beautiful crunchy puff or bofrot. You will love it. It's looking appetizing. I just couldn't wait for it to be done. So at this point, the first batch is finished, and I'm going to continue to fry the rest until it's all done. I also have the recipe on how to make the dry puff or bofrot, so consider watching that and you love it as well. So this one is the wet puff or bofrot. Both are very delicious, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. And at this point, our bofrot or puff puff is all done, looking delicious and beautiful as well. It tasted very delicious. It's crunchy on the outside and the inside is also nice and soft. And it also smells very good. So please consider trying this puff puff and thank me later. If you have watched me until this far, thank you all so much for watching. And thank you all so much for your support. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Have a blessed week.